In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a live call in Miro. Miro is a versatile digital whiteboard designed to help teams collaborate effectively, even when they're miles apart. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, planning projects, or conducting workshops, starting a live call in Miro can bring all your team members together in one interactive space. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and productive collaboration experience. First, the foundation for any successful virtual meeting in Miro begins with selecting the right board. Open the Miro board where you'd like to engage with your team. If you're managing multiple projects, be sure you're accessing the board specifically designated for your meeting. This ensures that everyone is on the same page and that the discussion is focused. Once the correct board is open, direct your attention to the toolbar where you'll find the talk track, video chat, or call icon. This may vary depending on your Miro plan and the specific workspace settings configured by your organization. Don't worry if you don't see these exact icons, just look for something similar that indicates communication tools. Click on this icon to prepare for starting your call. Next, you'll be given the option to select either Start a Call or Start a Video Chat. Choose the format that best suits your needs. If seeing facial expressions and gestures is important for your discussion, a video chat could be more beneficial. Otherwise, a simple audio call might suffice for more straightforward conversations. At this point, Miro may prompt you for permission to access your microphone and camera. It's essential to allow these permissions so that you can communicate effectively with your team. This step is crucial to ensure that both you and the other participants can see and hear each other clearly. Now that your call is technically ready to go, it's time to invite your collaborators. The most efficient way to do this is by sharing the board link directly with them. Send this link through your preferred communication channel, whether it's email, a chat app, or any other method your team uses. Alternatively, if your collaborators know how to access the board on their own, they can join you there without needing an additional invite. Once everyone has joined the board, you're all set to start your collaborative session. Enjoy the seamless interaction as you talk, brainstorm, and make decisions together in real time. Miro's rich set of features allows you to draw, annotate, and modify content, all while discussing your next steps, making it an invaluable tool for modern businesses. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting a live call in Miro. With these steps, you're now prepared to bring your team's ideas to life no matter where you are in the world. Happy collaborating.